For years, affiliate marketing has been clouded with half-truths and overhyped promises, but every so often a system comes along that cuts through the noise and truly changes the game. This is one of those times. Today, we're taking you behind the curtain of a system that's quietly transforming the way ordinary people, with no tech background, no massive ad budgets, and no prior experience, are generating commissions online. It's called the Millionaire Partner System, and it's not just another tool. It's a complete, done-for-you business that's rewriting the rules of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is supposed to be the simplest path to online income. But let's be real, most people who try it don't succeed. Why? The learning curve is steep. Funnels, emails, ad campaigns, it's overwhelming. Time is scarce. You're busy. Building from scratch can take months, even years. Consistency is missing. Without a proven process, results are unpredictable. That's why the Millionaire Partner System was built. To eliminate confusion, automate the hardest parts, and give you a ready-to-run system that works even when life gets hectic. Let's break down what makes this different. 1. Done-for-you bridge pages. These aren't generic templates. They're pre-optimized professional pages that convert. Bryce reported his first campaign converted immediately. Stephanie made $978 in her first day without touching a single line of code. 2. Automated email follow-ups. Nurturing leads is one of the hardest parts. The system handles it for you with pre-written, tested sequences. Patrick earned $235 in under an hour because the emails closed sales while he focused on life. 3. Weekly lead delivery. This is revolutionary. Every week, targeted leads are delivered straight to your system. No wasted ad spend, no random traffic strategies, just consistent, warm prospects flowing in. 4. High-ticket back-end offers. This isn't just about small wins. Built-in premium offers mean $500, $1,000, even $2,000 commissions can drop into your account. 5. 60-day no-risk guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back. No hassle, no catch. The results speak for themselves. Victoria. Skeptical at first, but within 24 hours I made $2,000. Nothing else has worked this fast. Cameron. I'd failed with everything before. This system got me $1,011 in my first week. Ian. From $50,000 in debt to building a 7-figure affiliate business. Ruth. Earned nearly $1,000 her very first day. These are not marketers with years of experience. These are everyday people plugging into a system designed for success. This isn't just another tool added to the pile. It's a paradigm shift. Instead of patching together a dozen platforms, you get everything in one box. Instead of stressing over traffic, you get consistent weekly leads. Instead of writing endless copy, you have emails and pages ready-made. Affiliate marketing is no longer guesswork. It's predictable, reliable, scalable. For many, this is the first time they've been able to stop dabbling and start building a real business. From a narrator standpoint, here's what stands out. The structure is transparent. You see exactly what you're getting before you join. The testimonials are consistent, coming from real users with measurable results. The system comes with a safety net, a 60-day guarantee. That's why people are calling this the system that's changing affiliate marketing forever. It doesn't just promise, it delivers. Imagine logging in, not to a blank dashboard, but to a ready-to-run business. Bridge pages pre-built. Leads already flowing in. Emails closing sales in the background. What does that mean for you? It means no more guesswork, no more wasted time, and no more wondering if this is even possible. It means you can focus on results from day one. Now the only question is, will you take the step? Here's how to move forward. 1. Register for the free training. See the Millionaire Partner System in action. Get a clear breakdown of how it works and why it's different. 2. Download the Evergreen Toolkit. As a bonus, you'll unlock the Evergreen Toolkit, a resource pack designed to help you build long-term passive systems that complement the Millionaire Partner System. 3. Subscribe to CashWaveHQ on YouTube. Stay connected. Get strategies, case studies, and walkthroughs to keep growing. The people you've heard about today, Victoria, Cameron, Ruth, Ian, all started by watching that training. Their results came because they took action. Now it's your turn.